The Belt Boss should be part of your cleaning system. I'm Wayne Johnson. I created the Belt Boss. The Belt Boss saves you steps, saves you time, and saves you money. Watch me demonstrate.
That's not going to look good.
Combining the cart with the Belt Boss system often makes sense in our operation because the Belt Boss continues to save us steps and save us time. The Belt Boss is flexible in all types of cleaning situations. 24 years of experience have gone into creating the Belt Boss system. I can't clean without it. You shouldn't either.